guys? It's me, Colton, and I'm just gonna show you a few things from the server. Get up here, and I don't know what these things are for, but like whenever I'm a chicken, I always put myself in. Okay, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you 4 birds, forks and fruits that you should buy. No, 3, I meant 3s. Okay. So for the fans that really like birds that can fly for as long as you want, I think Patagonis would be great for you. And so the best technique of like how I got Patagonis is to get birds. But now my techniques to get birds is to have my iPad on and continue to have it on. But every once in a while I just move around so I don't get kicked out. Or I just do this, but I would eventually get kicked out. So, and it's pretty fast going down. I'm not saying that's fast, but I'm just saying it's pretty fast. It's a great runner. I really love that video. Now for the fans of temporary flyers, whatever they're called, you should buy the Java ornaments. The first extinct bird I ever bought, and it's a great bird. I love its song. Okay, I'm going to show you. I really love this run. Ever as I like become as big as I can, and I like on dino servers, and then I just pretend that I am a velociraptor. I like Compus and Matrix. Either one. Okay. And look at this boy. And for the fans of birds that can't fly, I have the perfect bird for you. The Great Auk. These guys are super good for people like me. So like, I always use this as a penguin, but it's because of slow. It's not the fastest. I know the Hesperornis and something else are the top 2 fastest. But this guy is pretty fast. Just look at this. On dino servers, I love to be like one of the birds that can do this. I name myself Mosasaurus. Wait. What if I do my display underwater? Wait, eat underwater? Oh my. Sitting? Oh. You can breathe underwater. You're just like, ooh. That's so funny. Wait, what else can I do underwater? So, also in Feather Family if you're a Feather Family player. Or if you have a favorite bird, just comment it below. But if you're a Feather Family player and you have a favorite bird, just comment the Feather Family favorite bird and your favorite bird of all time. You know me, like I have two favorite birds: the red-tailed hawk and what's it called again? The valley quail. And the valley quail. I feel like those are just amazing. The valley quail. So